Hello students, today's topic is cell cycle and cell division. What is cell cycle? Sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome and synthesizes cell constituents and ultimately it divides into two daughter cells is called cell cycle. We know that a cell has three basic parts: cell membrane, nucleus and the cytoplasm, and in the cytoplasm there are present various cell organelles. So, and in the nucleus there are present thread like structures in the coiled form which are called chromosomes. So a cell cycle, in a cell cycle or cell division, a parent cell will divide into two daughter cells. How it will divide? The nuclear material or the chromatin substance, chromatin material, genetic material, it will duplicate itself. It will form its another duplicate copy. Side by side, whatever the cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm, they will also multiply, their number will increase, and ultimately when one cell will divide into two, it will divide this nuclear material equally into two daughter cells, and along with it the cytoplasm and the cell organelles, they are also divided. So this sequence of events in which a cell duplicates, makes a carbon copy of its nuclear material, it synthesizes all the cell constituents, means cell organelles, and ultimately it divides into two daughter cells. This is called cell cycle. The cell cycle has two basic phases: interphase and the mitotic phase, which is also called M phase. Interphase is the phase where cell appears to be in resting state, but actually it is metabolically very active. It is the phase during which cell prepares itself for cell division. Prepares itself means what is required during cell division, that is synthesized, that is prepared in the interphase. मतलब सेल डिवीजन के लिए क्या चाहिए? जेनेटिक मटेरियल को डबल करना है. अब डबल कैसे होगा? उसके लिए देयर आर रिक्वायर्ड न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, देयर इज रिक्वायर्ड सम राइबोसोम्स, देयर आर रिक्वायर्ड सम एंजाइम्स, whatever is required, whatever help of other organelles is required, that everything is synthesized, prepared, or we can say during interphase cell prepares itself for cell division. It appears to be a resting stage, but cell is metabolically active during this, and it is further divided into G1, that is gap 1, S phase, that is synthesis phase, and G2, that is gap 2 phase, and then it goes to the mitotic phase or mitosis. Let us see, this is the whole cell cycle. In human beings, cell divides in 24 hours. This is from here, this is the G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. यहाँ से ये लेके यहाँ तक, this is the interphase. The G1 or the gap 1 phase, it is the interval between mitosis and DNA replication. This is mitosis, that is the division phase, and this is what? Here the cell will duplicate its genome. So it is a phase between mitosis and DNA replication. The cell is metabolically active in this phase and cell grows continuously, but DNA is not duplicated during G1 phase. How it prepares itself, how the growth takes place during G1 phase? The nucleotides, ATPs, amino acids which are required for synthesis phase, they are formed. Mitochondria and chloroplast, they multiply. Chloroplast, they are the organelles present in plant cells only, so they will multiply there. In animal cell, only mitochondria will multiply. All the three types of RNAs, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA and messenger RNA, all these three ribosomes, carbohydrate, proteins and lipids, they are synthesized. After that, cell enters into the S phase, which is the synthesis phase. It is the phase during which DNA replication takes place. Means amount of DNA per cell doubles itself. If the initial amount of DNA present in a cell was 2C, then after synthesis it will become 4C, but there is no increase in chromosome number. That is, 2N will remain 2N. That is, a diploid cell will remain diploid. And the major change seen in nucleus is DNA replication, and in the cytoplasm there takes place division of another cell organelle, that is centriole. Now each chromosome now consists of two identical strands. This was the chromosome earlier, a single thread like structure. After the synthesis of DNA, each chromosome has the two identical strands which are called chromatids. The central portion of the chromosome is called centromere. The chromatids now they attach on the centromere and they are held together. Chromatids are held together to centromere by a protein, by a complex protein that is called kinetochore. यानी डुप्लीकेशन के बाद क्या दिखता है कि हर क्रोमोसोम पे दो आइडेंटिकल strands हैं. This is the one strand, this is the two strand. Each strand is called chromatid, and chromatid present on the same centromere or on the same chromosome, they are called sister chromatids. And the chromatids, they are held at centromere by a special protein which is kinetochore. Histone proteins, they are also synthesized. The human DNA is made up of 50% DNA and 50% protein. These proteins are the histone proteins, and DNA and histone proteins are present in 50% amount, that is 1:1 in human DNA. And this S phase, it lasts for 6 to 8 hours. Now next comes the G2 phase. G2 phase, it is gap 2 phase, in which in this the proteins are synthesized, the cell growth continues, centrioles, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, their number is doubled. Proteins for ester and spindle, they are synthesized, and it lasts for 2 to 5 hours. This is the interphase. Now the cell enters the mitotic or the M phase. In some cells like muscle cells, heart cells and RBCs, the cells, they do not divide further. Where the cell division do not takes place, मतलब एक बार डिवाइड होने के बाद जैसे RBCs, हार्ट सेल्स या मसल सेल्स की फॉर्मेशन हो गई, नर्व सेल्स की, तो they get differentiated. They are assigned special functions, they become specialized, and then if they don't have to divide further, they will enter the G0 or quiescence phase. वहाँ पे एंटर कर देंगे, G1 phase में ही वो रहेंगे, and then ultimately they will die. And the cells which are required for growth, which help in repair, they will enter the mitotic phase.